Does anybody else who films videos ever have their pet come and sit right in front of them when they're filming and just stare at you? Like they're judging you. I love you, Hemi. So today is going to be the second collaboration that I have running, and it is, oh now he's coming closer. It's going to be my second collaboration with the PANtastic ladies. This one was started by Daisy Sheps. Shout out to my fellow Canadian girl. So this project basically is running from September 4th to January 4th, and I love you. And what you do is you just take all your perfume samples, throw them into a bag, and then pick 4 for every month. So use 1 per week pretty much, and hopefully get through a lot of them. See what you like, see what you don't like. So yeah, so we're just going to be picking the first 4 samples for the beginning of this project, and then I will update you in a month's time and we'll pick the next 4 products. So I wanted to kind of throw something in here so when I use up a sample, I at least had a perfume I was working on in the meantime, almost like a perfume sample project pan with a project perfume in here as well. This perfume is in my mental health project pan though, but it's just kind of like my attempt to make sure I use this product up. This is the Lush scent in Ponche. This is a tropical fruits and tequila, the perfect fragrance for a fiesta. Yeah, I'd like to use this up and see it gone. I still do love this scent. I'm over it. I know I just started, but I'm over it. So, yeah, it'll be nice to kind of hopefully use that one up along with everything else we pick in this project. So, to start, I have my little sample bag with all my fragrance samples in it. And so the first 4 samples that we will be doing are this one here. I have this one here. Ooh, they're falling. Oh, thank you. And, oh, I got 2 more. So those are the first 4 samples we got, and they are Derek Lamb's 10 Crosby 2 AM Kiss. I vaguely remember this one. That one, I do believe, had apples and caramel along with a million other underlying notes, but that was the big one. So that's kind of like a nice fall scent to be in there. On the complete opposite note, we have D&G's number 3. This has a long Italian name to go in with it. I think it's number 3 L'Imperatrice. I'm probably butchering that, I'm sorry. And that one, to me, smells like watermelon. I'm not sure if that's the main note, but that's what that one reminds me of. Then next, this one I don't remember whatsoever. It's checked off as a floral, so it's like, ugh, I hate florals, but whoa. But don't judge fragrance by its label, because sometimes they don't smell like what you think they're going to smell like. But this is 1804 by Histories des Parfums. And last but not least, oh, this is interesting. I didn't know that I had this. This is Marc Jacobs Cucumber Fragrance. I don't think I've ever even heard of that one. Well, clearly I have it, but yeah, that one doesn't ring a bell to me. But those are my first my first 4 samples. Oh, good grief. So I will update you in a month's time about how those are going. I will also have Daisy's information listed down below so you can check out her progress, as well as a list of all the other people who are doing it, as well as kind of like the outlines for this project, just in case you wanted to join in as well. And I will see you guys in a month's time with my thoughts on these samples, and hopefully quite a few empties. So until then, have a great day, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.